Everybody. Today, yeah, it's my third video for my challenge. Actually, it should be yesterday. It should have been yesterday, actually. But I was so busy yesterday, so I didn't have time to make a video. I just read. I just read some articles, yeah, and so on. And then now I have time to make it. Okay. Uh, there are many lessons I got yesterday. I read uh, a status of Facebook of scholars and also some updates on Instagram of some scholars. And then there are many lessons I got from the accounts. And then today I'd like to share one of these lessons I got yesterday. Uh, the great lesson I got, I think, is from Abah Jagat. Yeah, he's the leader of Jagat Arts Islamic Boarding School. The lesson is about uh, the day that we live today. Yeah, okay. Uh, he said that the last day is today. So, he said the last day is today. It means, so today is the last day. So, what does it mean? If we believe that today is the last day, so don't waste your time to do good thing, to do something great. Yeah, that's the lesson from this. So, because we don't know whether we still live tomorrow or not. Maybe we will die this evening or this afternoon. We don't know that. So that's why we must believe that today is the last day. Because today is the last day, so start from now, we do many good deeds. Okay? So that's the lesson I got. Yeah, Alhamdulillah. As I'm so grateful knowing Abah Jagat. Yeah. Though I'm not in his school actually. Yeah, but I love him. Okay, I think that's all. It's my third video of my challenge. Okay, I hope my speaking skill will improve and I will be great speaker later. Okay, I like to have some feedback from you and I think that's all. Good morning. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.